What does a fully optioned Princess Y72 look like? In this video, we're going to show you how we turned an already well-equipped Princess Y72 into the most highly specified one in the world. We recently sold this stunning new Princess, which already came fully loaded. However, the client wanted to take things to the next level, so we accepted the challenge. Together with our service partner, Ship Install, we realized a whole host of additional upgrades, including a Seakeeper, FLIR camera, JL audio system, and much more. We kicked off the project at our beautiful marina in Heusden, where we took the yacht to the fuel station to top off the diesel tanks before bringing her to the yard. Once fueled, we craned the 72-foot yacht onto our shipyard, where all the additional installations were carried out. One of the most significant and most challenging upgrades was the installation of a Seakeeper 18. Although the yacht already featured Sleipner fin stabilizers, the client also wanted gyro stabilization. Of course, a custom stainless steel nameplate with RGB LED lighting was a must-have for this project. Moving toward the bow, you'll find a premium JL audio sound system. And if you look up at the hardtop, you'll see the FLIR camera. This provides thermal vision to assist with navigation at night. A 4-sided camera system was installed, with access through both the Raymarine displays and the Raymarine app. Originally, this yacht was equipped exclusively with Garmin equipment, but at the owner's request, we replaced the entire Garmin system with Raymarine. The yacht now features an Aventix joystick and automatic Bennett trim tabs for smoother cruising and easier handling. This vessel is also among the first to integrate a dynamic positioning system into the yacht control remote. To protect this valuable yacht, we installed a full alarm and security system. A master volt display has been added to monitor all onboard electrical systems. Heading up to the flybridge, we installed 8 JL audio speakers, 2 subwoofers, and 5 amplifiers. Part of the premium sound upgrade, we also fitted Webasto heating systems on both the flybridge and the aft deck. For internet connectivity, we installed a Starlink satellite system, providing high-speed internet even far offshore. The satellite dome supplies signal to all TVs on board. On the aft deck, we added an extra subwoofer and installed an air conditioning system to keep the deck cool during hot summer days. All lead-acid batteries were replaced with lithium-ion batteries from Mastervolt, providing more capacity and reducing the need to run the generator. In the engine room, you'll find twin-man V12 engines, delivering a top speed of 33 to 35 knots. We also installed a water maker, allowing the yacht to produce fresh water while at sea. Carbon fiber poles were added on the foredeck for setting up a sunshade. We added an auto start system for the generator. These 8 new Lumishore underwater LED lights give the yacht a true super yacht feel, and they're fully color customizable. In the crew cabin, we built a custom storage cabinet for tools and installed a Glendinning cable system, which automatically reels in and stores the shore power cable, making docking much easier. On the hydraulic swim platform, we placed a fully optioned Williams 395 jet tender, finished in custom colors to match the yacht. All the tables on board were finished in high-gloss varnish for that extra touch of luxury. Of course, no yacht is complete without a life raft for safety. And because you can never have enough cold storage, we added a drawer-style fridge in the aft cockpit. After completing all of these enhancements, we delivered this one-of-a-kind Princess Y72 to a very happy owner. Would you like to realize your dream yacht with us too? Contact our sales team to explore the possibilities.